Okay, so what's he doing?
What he's gonna do is he's part of the garden staff. What he does every day is to climb up to palm trees, to clean them, and to get also coconuts to offer to the guests, right? What he's doing now, you can see the way he does it
What?
is to climb and clean the palm tree. He already did it, but he's doing this for you. You see the facility how to do it. I have never imagined climbing in that easy way, very fast.
Oh my. Talk about efficiency. Wow.
This is a 10 meters palm tree. It's an average, but you can see around they are higher than 10 meters.
So how many does he clean daily?
Maybe 200
Wow.
or a little bit more.
How long
I don't know.
does that
I'm not
take?
sure how many we have. But look, he's cleaning. Say hola. Gracias.